Hello and welcome back to our channel guys, and today we are going to do the match review of Newcastle versus Arsenal. The Magpies have stormed past Arsenal with a dominant 4-0 aggregate win to book their spot in the Carabao Cup final. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Newcastle head coach Eddie Howe played this game with a 5-4-1 formation, in which he started Dubravka at goal, Kieran Trippier at right back, Fabian Schär, Seven Botman and Burn were the three centre backs, and Lewis Hall played this game at left back. In midfield, Bruno Guimaraes started this game alongside Sandro Tonali, Anthony Gordon and Jacob Murphy, while in attack, Alexander Isak started this game as a centre forward, while Arsenal head coach Mikel Arteta started this game with a 4-3-3 formation, in which he started David Raya at goal, Julian Timber at right back, William Saliba and Gabriel were the two centre backs, and Luis Kelly played this game at left back. In midfield, Thomas Partey started this game alongside Martin Odegaard and Declan Rice. While in attack, Gabriel Martinelli started his game as a right winger, Leandro Trossard as a left winger, and Kai Havertz played this game as a centre forward. So guys, Newcastle coming in the second leg with a 2-0 lead. Newcastle wasted no time in showing their intent. Alexander Isak thought that he had given them an early lead, only for the offside flag to deny him, but it didn't matter because Jacob Murphy was there to smash home after Isak's thunderous strike hit the post. Arsenal defense was in shambles, with William Saliba and Gabriel Magalhaes struggling against Newcastle's relentless attack, and it was Anthony Gordon who delivered the final blow, capitalizing on Arsenal's defense disaster to make it 4-0 on aggregate. Not only have Newcastle knocked Arsenal out of the Carabao Cup, but they've beaten them 3 times this season, all while keeping clean sheets. Eddie Howe men have truly had Arsenal's number. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Newcastle took a total of 10 shots in which 3 of them were on target, while Arsenal took a total of 11 shots in which 3 of them were on target. Newcastle had 31% of possession, while Arsenal had 69% of possession. Newcastle completed 203 passes, while Arsenal completed 423 passes. Newcastle had 62% of passing accuracy, while Arsenal had 82% of passing accuracy. Newcastle committed 12 fouls, while Arsenal also committed 12 fouls. Newcastle got 2 yellow cards, while Arsenal got 3 yellow cards. So guys, the Magpies will now either face Liverpool or Tottenham in the final at Wembley. So what are your thoughts? Can they finally end their long trophy draw? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more football content. We'll see you until next time. Thank you.